What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to find the perfect product to start selling on Amazon. So if you're new to selling on Amazon or looking for what products to sell, check this out. I'm gonna get straight to the point and show you guys what you can do and everything you need to know when it comes to selling on Amazon and finding the perfect product. So this is my this is Helium 10. This is the software that I use to pretty much find the product to sell on Amazon. And if you want to use Helium 10, I'll have the link in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. You can literally click that, get a discount code, and follow along with that product research. And also, if this video is helpful to you guys, hit that like button, subscribe later on in the video if you find it helpful. Really means a lot to me. This channel is new, so any support I get, I'd really appreciate it. Let's get back into it. So here is today's sales, net profit as well, yesterday's sales and net profit, and last 7 days sales and net profit, and this is last year's. So what you want to focus on, and what I like to teach everybody when it comes to selling on Amazon, is that you want to focus on the profit margin, right? This is a very big metric that you want to focus on. So when it comes to finding a product to start selling on Amazon, look for something that is 35% or higher after all expenses, product cost, shipping cost, Amazon FBA fees. And don't worry, we will get more involved with that in this video. But yeah, you want to make sure the profit margin is above 35%. Last year it was 30% because I had to liquidate a ton of products, but it's okay. Like you can see here, let's go here, maybe this year. Let's see how much it's been this year so far. And profit margin, look, 38%, which I'm happy with, right? We're midway through the year, so it's close to, I mean, hopefully it's 500K net profit this year. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I found those products, how you can do the same exact thing that I'm doing. That way, like, you can literally grow the business from the ground up, because I didn't start up with a lot of money. And what I'm teaching you guys is private label. This is when you source a product from China, ship it to Amazon's warehouse, and then when Amazon gets your product, all you have to do is make sure it's a good, high quality product, get it ranked on the first page. Of course, you need to make sure the product is not that competitive. There's a lot more to it, but don't worry, we're gonna get more involved with it in this video. And that's what I do. I source products from China, put my brand on it, put my label on it, do a little bit of customizations, and then make money. So I scaled from the ground up. I've been selling for like 5-6 years now, and every year my business has grown 50%, and I teach you guys how to do that all in this channel. So let's find that right product to start selling. So you want to go to tools on Helium 10, click Amazon product research, and like I said, if you want Helium 10, click that link in the description down below. You'll get a discount code for it. So let me show you 2 ways of doing this. There's going to be a real advanced way that nobody teaches you. I'm telling you, you'll never find a video that teaches you like this stuff. Let's go to, these are the categories that I like. So I want you to mark these down. Baby products, beauty person, let's skip it. Yeah, actually we're gonna skip that one. Baby products is an amazing one to do. You also want to do home and kitchen, health and household, kitchen and dining, office products, pet supplies, tools, home improvement. These are all of my favorite categories when it comes to selling on Amazon. If you want, take a screenshot of this, that way you can have it and make sure that you get these categories. But for the more advanced way that we're going to do is that we're going to just only pick one category. So let's click baby products, right? And this is really going to give us a lot of products in that niche, and then you can continue doing this for the other niches as well separately. That way you get a lot of choices when it comes to this. So we're going to put baby products, we're going to put number of sellers 1 and 1. Product cost, you want it to be above $18 because you want a high profit margin. Like I said, you want it 35% or higher. Shipping costs and product costs, if you have it below $18, sometimes you won't reach that 35%. Monthly revenue, let's find a product that's making at least $20,000, and we're gonna have it that has maximum 300 reviews. Now we're gonna put fulfillment, FBA, fulfilled by Amazon. That's like you and me. If you put Amazon, that's like Amazon's actually selling the product. And if you put FBM, that's when someone ships it from their household. What we want to do is FBA. Like, that's the best business model. I really don't do much work. Like doing private label, I mean, I don't have any of the inventory in my household or anything like that. It's literally all in Amazon's warehouse. I never even see the product, to be honest. It literally goes from China to Amazon's warehouse. First, it goes from Amazon sometimes to a 3PL, and the 3PL is pretty much like a warehouse of the products. And then sometimes I funnel it to Amazon's warehouse. That's more advanced, but I teach you guys all of that. And I also have a free course which teaches you that, and also this channel that has a ton of info. But this is what you want to do exactly. So we're going to put fulfilled by Amazon, and let's put nothing big and heavy. We don't sell anything big and heavy. Something less than 3 pounds is what you want to sell. Okay, great. Now these look like great filters so far. What we're going to do is click search. And now we're going to get the magic. We're going to get a bunch of great products to start selling on Amazon, and you're going to see all these good product ideas. So all of these products have less than 300 reviews, right? And you can see that they're making 30,000, 33,000. Let's see. And they weigh very light. Look at this one, less than a pound. Let's click this one here and let's see. So this one has 110 reviews, and right here it's making $33,000 every month selling this exact product, right? Only 110 reviews, which is amazing. We can literally, like, these are great products to start selling, because look, they're making 33,000 with only 110 reviews. It means you can do the same exact thing. So let's keep going and let's keep clicking a couple of products. Let's look for things that weigh less. Like this one is not a pound. It is making 22,000. Okay, let's click this. Look at this thing. A baby swaddle blanket. Okay, so this one has less than 300 reviews. Like, we put it on the filter. It's selling for close to $30. They have a lot of variations, which it's for a beginner, it's a little bit harder because you have to buy more inventory, but I mean, it's still worth it because it's making 22,000 in revenue, right? So let's say you can keep going this and keep finding that perfect product. Like, see how fast I found all these products that sell well. And I'm going to go more into it of like how you know it's a good product to start selling, how you can get it ranked on the first page. In this video, I'll go through all of that. And if you want to learn more, like, I have a free course for you guys on my channel, as well as like on my page, that teaches you step by step of everything you want to know and everything you want to stay away from, all the products to stay away from, all the products that I do very well, and how to get it ranked on the first page. Literally all of that is for free for you guys. So if you want to check that out, I also have it in the description as well as in the pinned comments. Literally for free, nothing's needed. You can start 5 minutes from now, real fast. And I also have a more advanced course on there as well. So check out the free course, and if you like it and you're learning a lot, check out the advanced one. The advanced one is $99 a month. I made it monthly so it's affordable, so anybody can learn and pretty much get the whole process down packed in a month, compared to people selling courses for like over $1,000. It's crazy. So I try to make it affordable to you guys. If you wanted to check that out, you can. And let's get more into this here. So we found a couple of good products here, and you can keep going. There's literally thousands of products just like this, right? I'll click anything randomly here. So look at this. I'll click this here, a baby helmet. Wow, I know all of these products here are extremely cheap. Like this thing, you can get less for less than $1. Only has 107 reviews, making $67,000. So let's say we wanted something like this, right? We're gonna look for something like this, and also we're gonna look for something like this, and maybe something like this. But let's say we want a baby helmet, right? want to sell this because look, it only has 107 reviews and 67,000 in sales. So, and this is really cheap to get. I mean, extremely cheap. So what you would do here is you would go on Alibaba.com. So let's go to Alibaba. All right, let's find how much it's going to cost first of all. And I'm going to show you guys if these products are a good product to sell. I already know that this product is going to be really cheap, really cheap, because it's just like, look at this. This is 108 here, and I know you could get it probably even cheaper because this is a very simple product. So what I would do is I will contact these suppliers here, and if you don't find a good price and you want it cheaper, you can always put the price here. Let's say we want the max price to be 130. Let's click here, and now it will filter all the other ones out. So what I like to do is deal with suppliers that have been on here for more than 5 years, to be honest. So I will deal like a supplier like this or like this and ask them what's the price point, and if they can even do something similar to this format and style, that'd be great. But you can see that these products are, you can get these for like $1. And from experience of me selling on Amazon, I know how cheap these type of products you can get for. So let's say we can get this one for $1, right? For example. So what I would do here, right, to see how much profit I'm going to be making is I would go here, go scroll down, look for the ASIN of the product, right? You're going to go down here. There's the ASIN right here. You'll just copy this ASIN, and you're going to go on Google really quick, and you're going to put Amazon FBA calculator, right? And this is going to take you to the Seller Central calculator, where you can figure out how much profit you're going to be making before you sell a product. It's going to say sellercentral.amazon.com. You're going to click this. You're going to continue as guest, and you're going to paste that ASIN. And now you're going to find out how much profit you'll be making if you sell this exact product. So let's put the product cost at $1, and let's say the shipping cost for a product like this, since it's very light, we can probably get it for about 35 to 40 cents on a cargo container over here. Let's put 35 cents, or we can go 40 and be more aggressive with it. So let's say we are getting that, and you can see the net margin here is 43%, which makes it a good product to start selling. Net profit, you'll be making $8 each unit for all those. And let's see how much these people have sold this month. You can see they sold 3,572. Let's see if I can put this here. I've never really done that, so let's see. So the net profit they made this month is $29,000 off this one product, close to $1,000 a day off this one product, and they only have 100 reviews, which is very doable. Like some of my listings have like 3,000 reviews, so like 100 reviews is, it's piece of cake. Like it's so easy to sell a product like this. And now what I personally would do, my more advanced technique, right, is to see if I could get it ranked on the first page. Because what I like to do is I like to sell products that I know I can get ranked on the first page. So here's a more advanced technique that not a lot of people talk about and not a lot of people know. So we're gonna go here to the tools and check this out. Oh wait, I clicked the wrong button. We're gonna go to Cerebro, and Cerebro is like the reverse engineer. It's really cool. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it can do. So you're gonna go back to this ASIN of the competition here. Let's say you wanted to sell this exact product. We're gonna copy this, and we're gonna see what they're ranked for. How are they selling all of these units? So you're gonna paste their ASIN here, get keywords, and you're gonna look. This is gonna blow your mind here. So this is gonna be really cool. So what we're gonna do is find out all the keywords that they're ranked for and pretty much see how they're making all these sales. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the max, the search volume to 500 to 500,000. And let's put what the max rank for, 1 to 30. This is gonna give us those main, let's put 35. main keywords that they're ranked for. So they're ranked for 35 main keywords, right? And now I'm gonna filter from high to low. Boom, okay. Now this is real, now we're getting somewhere. So check this out here. So they're ranked for these main keywords, and look at this one. This one looks like they're ranked really high for these three. Boom. So baby helmet, they're ranked number 2. Wow, I might start selling this. This is crazy. They're ranked number 2 for this product. They only have 100 reviews. They're ranked number 2 for this product. I think these are all the sales that are coming in for this. Like 5,000 searches. This is daily. 5,000 searches, 5,000 searches, and 4,000. And they're also ranked pretty high for all these other ones here. But you can see baby helmet for crawling, walking, right? And you want to look at the CPR. So the CPR is the amount of units you have to sell in the next 8 days to get ranked for that keyword. So what I like to do and teach beginners is, like, if it's under 50, it's a great product. Like, you can get it ranked. If it's like around like 100 CPR, then it's gonna be hard. Personally, I could do it, but I mean, it's really hard and more advanced, right? So anything below 50 is like, it's really good for beginners, and I would recommend it. Like this product, I personally would sell it, and I know I could get it ranked on the top 5 like easily. So how you would get it ranked technically is, like, customers have to search up this, and then they have to buy this product, and you have to make 33 sales for the next 8 days off that keyword, and that's how you get it ranked on the first page. How you would do that is a really aggressive Amazon ads for that main keyword. Do a manual keyword, and you could get it ranked pretty easy. So I mean, that person only had like 100 reviews, which is crazy, and they've made 67,000 in sales in the last 30 days. Like, that's just one product, and like, you can get that reinvested to the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and really make a full-time income. That product is making $1,000 a day profit. You can be doing the same exact thing. If you want to learn more or have any questions or anything like that, leave a comment down below. I'll help you guys out as much as I can. Also, check out my free course. Nothing is needed also. And if this video was helpful to you guys, hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. It means the world to me. This channel, like I said, is new. It helps me out a lot. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, comment down below. See you guys on the next one. Peace.